Hey, everybody! Today we're going to talk about mini drones. Now, a lot of people don't really know what a mini drone is, but they're actually a lot of fun. In this video, we're going to show you the best mini drones on Amazon. All the links of the mini drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's get started. And at number 5, the best mini drone is DJI Spark Portable Mini Drone. Small and compact, the Spark camera features 1 or 2.3-inch CMOS sensor that allows users to record video stabilized at 1080 pixel and stills at 12 megapixel. The larger pixels indicate that Spark is extremely sensitive to light and records precise colors. All images from Spark are clear and sharp with minimal color distortion and color aberration. The camera of Spark has a 2.6 wide-angle lens, with an equivalent focal length. 5 elements are organized in a single set that can be squeezed into a compact frame. Spark's 2-axis mechanical gimbal as well as ultra-smooth technology significantly reduce the rolling shutter effects to ensure that the images are steady and clear. With its lightweight, aerodynamic and slick appearance, Spark soars through the air, with only minimal wind resistance. The camera and gimbal are in line with the aircraft, greatly increasing the stability. The powerful propulsion system ensures steady flight with strong wind speeds of up to 30 miles an hour when in sport mode. 2 Furthermore, an advanced flight control system ensures that flying with Spark is enjoyable and easy. Advanced HD Wi-Fi technology permits streaming of real-time video at 720 pixels as far as 2 kilometers away. Unobstructed without interference, using a remote controller when FCC is compatible. Spark's numerous intelligent features that allow for flight time aren't affected. You can fly for as long as 16 minutes when fully charged battery, which allows for more footage. Estimated flight duration is based on flying in wind-free conditions at the same rate of 20 kilometers per hour. Actual flight durations may differ according to the conditions in which you are flying. In tap fly mode, simply imagine your shot and Spark will capture it for you. Tap your screen on your smartphone and Spark, with the help of vision technology. It flies towards the tap or precisely the spot you touched while detecting the presence of obstacles. Through active track, Spark automatically recognizes objects of various dimensions and shapes and tracks them based on their characteristics and how quickly they move. This makes tracking easier and stable. Deep learning of gesture recognition lets you take selfies with just gestures. Motions with palm control mode. You can control the Spark's movements with your hands. And at number 4, the best mini drone is FiMi X8 GPS Drone. Considering its cheap price, quality, durability, customer rating, and customer demand, I have put this drone at number 5 on my list. The new compact FiMi X8 Explorer drone is compact and portable. It has advanced features for a small drone. It features a GPS positioning system for GPS position hold, return to home functionality and other smart flight modes. It integrates a 1080 pixel HD camera, which transmits real-time HD videos and photos directly to a smartphone via the app. The FiMi X8 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits, because aerial photography has never been this easy. This drone captures impressive 12-megapixel photos with a 1 or 2.6 inches Sony CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis mechanical gimbal provides 4K pixel 30 FPS video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance image sensor. Video transmission distance of up to 8 kilometers and can also deliver 1080 pixel HD resolution live stream directly from the drone's camera. It has an impressive flight time of up to 35 minutes, allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. 3x digital zoom camera. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your FiMi X8. It has smart tracking mode. With the powerful visual tracking system, the drone can precisely lock the target with more powerful flight planning shooting. It has GPS optical flow mode switching system. Indoor flight automatically recognizes optical flow mode. Outdoor light automatically switches GPS, optical flow dual mode. And at number 3, the best mini drone is DJI Mini 2 4K drone. This drone features 3-axis gimbal that has the capability of a 4K camera. A 12-megapixel camera in the sky produces quality content that is sure to be awe-inspiring. In addition, it has 4K and 30 FPS videos, and a motorized 3-axis gimbal. Mini 2 delivers amazing image quality that is always smooth, no matter the level of adventure you take. With less than 249 grams, it weighs around the same as an apple and is able to fit into one hand. Compact and easy to use, this small drone is the ideal travel companion that will transform the way you record your most memorable moments. Mini 2 is able to support up to 10 kilometers in HD video transmission and features great anti-interference abilities that allow you to fly further and see more clearly. With a maximum battery time of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 provides plenty of time to make the perfect footage. Mini 2 is capable of enduring the level 5 winds and can take off at an altitude up to 4,000 meters, which means your footage will be stable when you're flying along a stormy coast or in the highlands of the alpine forests. There's no need to get too close to your ideal photo. Digital zoom of 4x is safer and more comfortable to switch between photos of different distances and compositions. With just a few clicks, DJI Mini 2 automatically creates and records professional quality videos that you can share directly via social media. No matter if you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, the DJI Fly app will help you achieve impressive results with music and filters. The DJI Fly app requires iOS 10.0, iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, 11, XS Max, XS, X8 Plus, and another version. Samsung Galaxy S20, S10 Plus, S10, S9 Plus, S9, Note 10 Plus, Note 9, Note 8, and Android version 6.0 or above. And at number 2, the best mini drone is Holy Stone HS720E GPS 4K drone. This electric image stabilization technology helps reduce the blurring of video. Sony sensor is equipped with advanced imaging technologies that provide better image quality over others. 4K 3840 by 2160 camera catches much more details. Videos can be recorded using 1080 pixels at 60 fps or 4K pixels at 30 fps. The adjustable angle of the remote control widens your viewing. In addition to 5 GHz FPV transmission, 5 GHz ensures more time to record and smooth image transmission. With an air optical flow and altitude control system for air pressure, it can be controlled to hover indefinitely indoors and outdoors. The GPS coordinates and auto return home is free of the risk of loss of the drone. The advanced flight modes let drones fly autonomously and let you use your hands and mind to perform videos or create pictures such as follow me, tap fly, as well as point of interest. Brushless motors are more powerful and produce less noise than brushed motors. This will allow stable and speedy drone flights. In addition, they provide a longer lifespan and free your motor from maintenance. Each battery is intelligent and can support 23 minutes of flight time. The 2 batteries will extend your sky flight by 46 minutes. More charging, less time. A carrying bag included makes it easy to take your drone off and put it away when you're not using it. Free of worry, since it will always return to home automatically whenever battery is low, signal is lost, or you press one key return. The HS720E Follow Me feature has you covered automatically, no matter where you go. Just enjoy the beauty and landscapes through the app. And at number 1, the best mini drone is DJI Mavic Mini Drone. This drone is a good beginner drone. It is small, light, foldable, and portable. It has a lot of features that you would like to see on a beginner drone. It has an altitude hold to help stabilize it. It has multiple speeds. It is definitely smaller and lighter and a totally different type of drone than the fully featured Mini 2. So the beginner can adjust their skill level. It has a sophisticated flight system and is equipped with a 2.7K HD camera. Make the control easy to use. Aerial photography is handy. 2.7K drones allow you to record in HD and record your every time with different angles. Wonderful moments. Let you stay in focus and keep good memories. This drone has a real-time HD image transmission system. Connect to the aircraft Wi-Fi. You can achieve full control of flight and photography. By flight, the process can watch the high-definition images of the aerial photography of the aircraft, and also facilitate your access to the surrounding environment. Line monitoring. The picture back is clear and true. A newly designed 3-axis gimbal is mounted to enable stable shooting. Transmitters can easily adjust the shooting angle of the gimbal. This drone builds in a powerful battery. The battery is more convenient to replace. The high energy density of lithium batteries effectively increases power consumption. Powerful, with up to 30 minutes of flight time. With a stable hovering performance system, it is easy to use a remote control 360-degree tumbling stunt in the air. The continuous tumbling operation. Then the aircraft automatically make adjustments and balance. This drone has gesture photo and video options. During the flight, aim at the camera of the aircraft and make the corresponding gesture. The aircraft will be self-propelled. Dynamic recognition and intelligent response. Support for identifying photos or videos. In this drone support fixed altitude mode, which controls the aircraft to fly at a distance from the controller. Turn on the following function. The aircraft can automatically follow. I hope you enjoy this video. I request you please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.